Alright, so we are kind of starting the frame for the wheelbase, and nice. And since I gotta fit this through a door, I thought of just bolting it here and there, so we'll have this piece that comes up. It'll be removable, so we can put it into the room and then just bolt it up there when we need to. But I also thought of adding an adjustment too to the wheel. So when you have the wheelbase up here, you can kind of pivot it up and down, so the wheel kind of can go with your seat position too. So what I'm going to do is probably have 2 pivot points up here and then 1 pivot point down here, and basically have a, let's see here. So basically when I pivot it down, it'll kind of come like this. So I'll have it kind of telescope into that thing, if that's even the right term, I don't know. But yeah, so we'll have kind of 2 shafts that'll go into each other, and then you could just pin it where you want it pivoted at, so then it can kind of raise up and raise down depending on your seat position. So I don't think it'll be too complicated, just need a pivot right here and then also a pivot up here, and you should be good. So let's try to make that work. Alright, so we got to triangulate this now just a little bit. Basically, got to cover it this way and this way from the shifting, because it's shifting just a little bit right here. So if I weld a piece coming down here and then bolt it to this, it should minimize that shakiness right there. And then if worse comes to worse, I can triangulate it one more time across here. So let me kind of show you, demonstrate what we're talking about. So I'm going to weld a piece right here, and then I'm going to bolt it here so this whole thing can come off. And then if we really need to get some more, I will triangulate it right here, or probably at this point here, and kind of come down. So it'll look pretty crazy if we really need to go that route, and I might just do it anyway, just to get some extra strength there and minimize that shakiness here, because it's just wobbling just a little bit there. So, and especially with the DD1 wheelbase, we might need to beef that up just a little bit more. So that's what we're gonna do.